We have seen the different learning methods in artificial intelligence systems, and one of the method is a supervised learning, where there is an evaluator or a learning element which will always give a feedback. So supervised learning is a machine learning task of inferring a function from labeled training data. The training data consists of a set of training examples. In supervised learning, each example is a pair consisting of an input object, typically a vector, and desired output value. Supervised learning is an approach to machine learning that is based on training data that includes expected answers, and artificial intelligence uses the data to build a general model that may map the data to the correct answers. So there is always a training set. So the training set may include that a garbage sorting robot. If you take an example, the training set of the robot may include that it may include 1,000 kinds of metals, and it may be fed into the data, and it may be taught to differentiate between different kinds of metals and cluster those kind of items as metals. So it will be able to identify different metals together as a metal, and it will be able to sort that out. So such kind of data may be fed to the system in form of learning. The ultimate goal of supervised learning is to train the machine such that an output goal can be generated based on a given data. Say x, the output can be h of x can be founded. So that is the ultimate goal of the learning. Suppose a machine is taught to predict price of a house. So based on a square footage and considering other parameters like number of bedrooms, etc. For a square footage, it can easily give the output. So if you only give the visual data to the machine, like you give the photo of the houses, you give the number of bedrooms, and based on the visual input it will be easily able to give the price. So it is given an algorithm which will calculate the price based on the square footage, and it can do that from a visual input of a video or an image also. So such kind of systems can be developed. Another example is where an AI machine is a self-driving car. Now this machine is fed with over 2 million street videos considering pedestrian and car, and the machine is made to able to distinguish between pedestrian and car in fast moving scenes. Some video has only pedestrian while some has both. So in this kind of examples, the car or the algorithm or the machine which works in the background is fed with the videos, and the algorithms are written in such a way that it will be able to identify the car separately and the pedestrian separately, and based on some videos which have only pedestrian and some videos which have pedestrian and car both. So based on such kind of videos, the algorithm or the machine can be easily taught to distinguish between a car or a vehicle and a pedestrian. Once a machine learns based on the developed algorithm, again a set of data can be fed into the system. Again a set of videos which consist of pedestrians and which consist of videos, and it can be seen that how the system works. So based on the performance, the desired output level can be known, and if there is any correction required, more fine-tuning of the system or more changes to the programs can be done. The other kind of example is a garbage sorting robot. A robot based on a visual input sorts garbage from a conveyor based on they are glass, plastic, metal. So these are the recycled items which has to be sorted from a conveyor. Once a day work is finished, human supervisor will come and he will check, and if there is any wrong sorting, he can go back and see or add the item which was wrongly sorted to the database. Like if a metal was wrongly sorted, he can add it back to the table or the cluster of information which consists of metal, or he can fine-tune or change the program or debug the program to see the mistake which was happened. So in such a way it is possible to correct the learning of the machine, and it is possible to teach the machine to a desired level of output. And during the operation, once the machine is put into operation, it's also possible to bring into corrections. Or before the machine is put into operation, like in a self-driving car, it is very necessary for the car to have a high accuracy, and the car may be put into thousands of tests in form of the learning tests before the car is actually being put into operation. So this is possible using a supervised learning model. That's all. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like and comment.